Pang-apat o yung fourth reason kung bakit maraming Filipinos are broke ay yung kinsenas katapusan mindset. For most Filipinos, ang mundo naman natin ay umiikot lang sa ganung bagay. Right? Kinsenas, katapusan. Kinsenas, sumahod, yes, celebrate, kain konti sa labas, grocery, bayad ng bills, bayad ng utang, mauubos, and then hihintayin mo na ngayon yung another 2 weeks katapusan. And it just goes again and again and again, yung cycle, paulit-ulit lang. So, in other words, you are really not planning for the future. Ang pinaghahandaan mo lang lagi yung 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, kinsenas katapusan, yun lang makasurvive or makatawid ka lang. So, in other words, my friend, kung ang focus mo lang ay yung kinsenas at katapusan, makabayad or makatawid, hindi ka na mag-iisip ng future mo. Hindi ka na mag-iisip ng other opportunities para makaalis ka sa ganitong sistema because you are pretty much surrounded by the same people na ganun din. Nandun din sila na parang isang sumpa ng kinsenas katapusan. Kaya kahit 5 taon, 10, 20 years ka nang nagtatrabaho, you feel it's just the same thing. Parang replay lang nung kahapon yung buhay mo ngayon. And so on and so forth until after, 20, 30 years of working, may edad ka na, dumami na yung puting buhok mo, or maybe wala ka ng buhok, that's where you realize, parang meron palang mali rito. So my friend, in short, yung kinsenas katapusan, it's not really about income, but it's just about cycle. So if you don't think outside ng kinsenas katapusan, it will steal your vision.